Good morning to everyone. My name is Sujatha, working as Assistant Professor in MLR Institute of Technology, Hyderabad. In this session, I am going to discuss Lagrange's method of undetermined multipliers. So, we will use Lagrange's method of undetermined multiplier for a function of not only for function of two variables, function of three variables with the constraint equation. So, if the condition is given, constraint equation is given, we use the Lagrange's method of undetermined multiplier to calculate the function of f of x, y, z subject to the constraint equation. So, this is the procedure to calculate the Lagrange's method of undetermined multipliers. First, we have to write f of x, y, z. Capital F of x, y, z equal to small f of x, y, z. F of x, y, z, function of x, y, z plus lambda into constraint equation. So, this is the constraint equation. So, this is phi of x, y, z or g of x, y, z. Anyway, we can take. We can write this is the equation, Lagrangian equation. Here, lambda is called the Lagrange's multipliers. Lambda is called the Lagrange's multipliers. First, we can find out dou f by dou x, dou capital F by dou x, dou capital F by dou y, dou capital F by dou z. First, we have to calculate this one. So, and equate to 0, equate to 0, equate to 0. So, this equation can be written as equation 1. So, this is equation 2, this is equation 3 and equation 4. First, solve equation 2 and 3. Next, solve equation 3 and 4. So, we will get the relations of x, y, z. Substitute those values. We will get the maximum or minimum of the function. So, next we will see how to find out the problems depends on the Lagrange's method of undetermined multipliers. So, here is a rectangular box open at the top to have a volume of 32 cubic meters. Find the dimensions of the box that requires the least material for its construction. First we can take let x feet, y feet, z feet with the dimensions of the rectangular box. We know that what is the surface area of the rectangular box? X into 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. This is the surface area of the rectangular box. But here box is open at the top. Open at the top means instead of 2xy we can write the xy. So, this is the surface area of the rectangular box. Next, volume is xyz, but here xyz equal to 32 and xyz minus 32 equal to 0. So, we can take this is f of xyz. So, we can take this is phi of xyz. Can take this is phi of xyz. Constraint equation is phi of xyz. So, first we can write Lagrangian equation. Lagrangian equation. Lagrangian equation is, formula is, so this one, f of xyz equal to small f of xyz plus lambda into phi of xyz. I am using that formula. F of xyz equal to small f of xyz plus lambda into phi of xyz. So, take this is an equation 1, this is equation 2. So, next one is first find out dou f by dou x, dou capital F by, first substitute the values. F of xyz equal to, f of xyz equal to, substitute, what is small f of xyz? This is the value, xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Next, phi of xyz is phi of xyz is xyz minus 32. xyz minus 32. Next we can find out dou f by dou x. Dou f by dou x is, with respect to x, we have to keep y and z are constant. That is y plus, so 2z plus lambda into derivative of xyz with respect to x, that is yz. 32 is constant, that is 0. Next, dou f by dou y. Dou f by dou y. So dou f by dou y is x plus derivative of 2yz is 2z plus lambda into derivative of xyz with respect to y, that is xz. Next one is dou f by dou z. Dou f by dou z is, so with respect to z, that is 2y plus 2x plus lambda into xy. Next we can take dou f by dou x equal to 0. Dou f by dou x equal to 0, dou f by dou y equal to 0. Take one more step. Dou f by dou x equal to 0. Dou f by dou x equal to 0 means minus lambda equal to y plus 2z by yz. Next, dou f by dou y equal to 0. Dou f by dou y equal to 0 means, implies from this one minus lambda equal to x plus 2z by minus xz. Next, dou f by dou z equal to 0 implies minus lambda equal to minus 2y plus 2x by xy. So take this is an equation 3, this is equation 4 and this is equation 5. So in equation 3, 4, 5 left hand side values are minus lambda, that's why 3, 4, 5 we can equate. So next step is y plus 2z by yz equal to x plus 2z by xz. X plus 2z by xz. Next one is 2y plus 2x by xy. 2y plus 2x by xy. First we can take these two equations. What we are getting, y plus 2z by yz equal to x plus 2z by xz. So here z is cancelled, cross multiplying xy plus 2zx equal to xy plus 2yz. Here xy is cancelled, 2 cancelled. So z also cancelled. We are getting x equal to y. Next, take these two equations, x plus 2z by xz equal to 2y plus 2x by xy. So here xx cancel, we are getting cross multiplying xy plus 2yz equal to 2yz plus 2xz. 2yz is cancelled. So here xx is also cancelled, y equal to 2z. So but y value equal to x, so we can write x equal to 2z. So we can write z equal to x by 2. So we know that volume is volume equal to x, y, z equal to 32. We know this one. So x, y, z equal to, substitute x value in place of x, we can write x as it is, y value is x, z value is x by 2. equal to 32. So x cube equal to 64. So x cube equal to 64 means x equal to 4. Positive value is 4. We can take x is 4. If x equal to 4, therefore x equal to 4. Y value is x value, y equal to 4. And z value is 4 by 2. Z equal to 2. Therefore, we get x equal to 4, y equal to 4, z equal to 2. So this is the box required to least material for its construction. For least material, for its construction. Thank you.